Hi guys, NCWQ here, and have y'all looking at EMSC. And let me make sure my volume is good. There was 7 hours and 5 minutes ago a 5.8 earthquake South Sandwich Islands region. It was 96 kilometers deep. And let's go and take a look at the region where this earthquake hit. So we'll get this put into Google Earth here. We can see this is close to a volcano. That is Zavrdovsky, and that is a stratovolcano. So this is the earthquake here. This is the Traverse Gay Islands. And let's go over here and look at this volcano on this island, if we can. Looks like it's cloud cover here. I don't see any area to go and look at. There is pictures over here though. That's Pungent Point, Reek Point, Noxious Bluff, and Fume Point. That one is Stench Point. What names for around an island, huh? Okay, so anyways, we look at this and we see that this is sitting between the divergent boundary. This is going to be the South American Scotia, also known as the convergent boundary. This area here moves at 78 millimeters per year. You can see the direction with the arrows as labeled, but this area here moves this way. This one moves this way. So of course you would have movement when you have an earthquake here. This side here shows to move this way. This side here shows to move this way. So for every action, there may be a reaction. So let's look at EMSC and see what else has happened here. We had a 4.5, the Ionian Sea. And I'm looking back, this is the 30th. That's the South Sandwich Islands earthquake. See if there has been anything else that has occurred that's of notice. These are all the 30th. This goes into the 29th here. Anyways, you guys, just a real quick update. Hope y'all are doing well. Please be safe, take good care of yourselves and each other, and have a great day. Much love.